LifeTube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Ever wish your face was thinner? Or that you could control how much your cheekbones stick out? While changing your face's shape might require a magic wand, we have the closest thing to magic, and that is the art of contouring. So stick around for our handy-dandy guide on how to tame those cheekbones using contouring. Step 1. Take a small scoop of bronzer and, using a thin contouring brush, draw lines on your forehead, cheekbones, nose, and jawline as shown in the video. Step 2. Apply concealer under the eyes, on the chin, on Cupid's brow zone, and in the T-shaped zone. Step 3. Shade everything carefully using a beauty blender. Step 4. Add some rouge or blush with a blush brush. Shade it carefully with the same beauty blender. And voila! You've figured out the basics of contouring correctly. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks that professionals use. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials here on the LifeTube.